So we'll go ahead and just add some spinach to the pot. Finish up the pot.
Full of flavor. The Pimento make it over the top.
Mad!
Nice. Smooth, nice.
Nice, no man. Nice, man. Nice. Well soft, nice and rich. You know.
Straight yeah, big up myself.
Big up Chayote TV. The food was amazing. Food was 10 out of 10. Of course, one straight yard TV. One.
Okay, my beautiful people, my viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Straight Yard TV. We're in the kitchen today, guys. It's very cold outside, my people. So guess what happened? We have to cook some soup today. Cause you know, say, chicken soup is good for the cold weather, my people. If you even have a flu or a cold or something like that, my people, make some chicken soup. You put your back on foot. So here we are going now. We're gonna make some nice chicken soup for you, my people. We have over here, we have some scallion, some thyme, some garlic. We have my cock soup, we have my salt put on here. We have a piece of Coco Yam, piece of Irish, and sweet potato, piece of yellow yam, and 2 carrots, people. You know how it go. We are going to make some mad soup. We have 1 little piece and 3 little piece of leg and thigh over here, so we'll cut them up. Because I like the bony part of chicken, guys. When I'm making soup, I always try to use the bony part, mostly. Because it have more energy, you understand? Not the meaty part. I also have a whole bird over here. I'm going to cut him up. I'm going to take off the wings and the back part to put with these 3 pieces of meat, my peeps. This we're going to use it for something else, okay? So when we're done clean up and we're done cut up, we're going to show you what I'm going. And we're going to put on the pot on fire in the meantime. And make the pot start boil. So when you're ready, go where I go, okay? So we'll get some water in the pot and we'll put on the pot. And we'll go ahead right away. And we'll go clean up the chicken, my people. And we'll go get the chicken ready. As soon as the pot starts boil, you know it's your time to add stuff. A quick and fast thing we are doing, and stay tuned. All of my ingredients are going to be in the down below, my people. You can check it out and find out. Okay? I'm going to start doing all the full ingredients of everything I do now. Okay? Alright, so we have some little water on here. We have to add a little bit of salt. Kill out everything out of the water. And you know the salt help the pot to boil faster too. You understand? So we'll cover up this, make it go and boil. In the meantime, we'll clean up the chicken and we're gonna come right back to you, my people. Stay tuned and remember to come on the channel, give it a like, give it a share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Straight Yard in the kitchen, guys, we love you so much. One Straight Yard TV. Alright, people. See key ingredients here. We'll never show you, but we'll show you now. That is it. Piece of pumpkin. Get the soup nice and rich. Okay? So what we are going to do now, we'll clean up them chicken here, like me tell you before. And then guys, we'll come right back to you. So stay tuned, watch the channel. Okay, my people, so right now, the chicken already cut up, washed, clean and everything. Pumpkin clean. Peel and everything. We have 3 packs of garlic here, we have some thyme, we have some scallion. So right now, we are going to add some more water to the pot, guys, because the pot will boil a long time. So I have my kettle with some boiling water. So what I'm going to do is add some more water to it before I put in the meat, guys. So right away that I do here now, add some water. Because it's boiling water, you know, guys, it's already boiling. So right now, I'll go ahead and put in the chicken them, guys. Right away. Quick and fast. I know that soup are going nice, my people. So right away, we're adding the chicken. So just stay tuned and watch what I go on, my people. Adding the chicken them. I go ahead and add in a piece of thyme. And we're going to crush 2 pieces of garlic and we're put it in our pan, guys. Right away in our pot. You know where it go. We season up the pot little by little. We cut up piece of scallion and them also. You know, we are kind of flavor up the water. As soon as it get start boiling, it's gonna boil with flavor. Okay, my peeps? So this is the reason why I'm flavoring up the water a little bit. Alright, peeps, so see beautiful chicken them in a pot already, well clean. Cut up piece of scallion and some thyme and some garlic in it. Alright. And we're gonna put in the pumpkin right away too. You can go and boil with the chicken, alright? Because we're gonna make some mad chicken soup, my people. And so the rest of the chicken I leave from the other whole one, we're gonna use this for something else. We only take the back off of this and piece of the wing. Okay? And we'll leave the rest for something else. We're gonna use that on a different time, my peeps. So what we are gonna do now, we are cover up the pot and make the fire do the work. Stay tuned. On Chayote TV in the kitchen. Okay, my people. Right now, see the chicken here? I boil nice and lovely now, my people. The pumpkin I'm gonna take out and I want to crush him. And them already are melt out, you know. But we are gonna crush them out. And then put them back in the pot. See color start change already? It's because them start mashing, my peeps. See them well cooked. Well soft. So we are gonna do now, mash them out. We're gonna put them back in the pot. And make the fire do some work, guys, and then we are gonna add the ground provisions, you know, like the yam and all these yellow yam and these things we can mash. We're gonna put them in now. And we're gonna cut up some cocoa and all these things. Yeah, we're gonna add them. Just like that. Understand? So what we do, we mix out the pumpkin and grind it out, the peeps, turn it in like a puree. And then just dump it back in the pot, you know. Just like that. See? Now watch the color now. See? Wait till it start boil up and start thicken up. That we are talking about. Rinse out with this too, you know. Nothing now waste, nothing now dash. Way. You know how you go. Everything have to go in the pot. The pot nice. See it there? So right now, my peeps, we are gonna go ahead now and we are gonna peel up the ground provision them and we are gonna add them to pot. So we'll cover up this right now and make the fire continue to do some work. We'll peel up with cocoa, with chocho, with yellow yam, and with carrot. These things cannot mash, people, and cook all day, okay? So we'll put them in the pot now. Only this we mash out, but at the end of the day, this give it a body, make it thick. So we are going to deal with that now, and we're going to add them to the pot. These are the two last ones we're going to add last. Because these easy to mash, you know, peeps. So we're going to go ahead now, peel up a ground provision, add them to the pot, my peeps. So a nice, beautiful piece of blue cocoa, yeah? Even we are going to peel up and now. I'll peel up with yellow yam and all these things. And we add them to the pot, okay? And then we'll add some spinners and 2 little soup dumplings. Then we are going to season up with pot. And then you know how it go. After that, pot soon land. So, stay tuned, guys. Watch the video. Stay safe. We know Chayote TV love, you know. Without you guys, we can't function. So, when you jump on the channel, guys, just give it a thumbs up immediately. Share the video, like the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please to subscribe. We can't do without you know we love you know. So we are cut them up like this because we are going to make them mash out in the pot and give the pot some body, you understand? Some blue cocoa. And we're going to use 1 piece. Not a lot of cocoa in people, but we're going to use 1 piece. Because you have to cook to the amount of food where you cook. Okay? Yeah. Then we're going to peel a piece of the yellow yam too. We don't use a lot. We don't use all of this. We just take off one little piece like this. We'll peel them up and add them in a pot too. We'll add them with chocho and with carrot. Then we're going to knead up some flour and put him down. You know, it's a quick and fast pot and cook all the while, my peeps. It might take long for a lot of people who don't understand how to cook it, but whatever time I jump in the kitchen, it's quick and fast. Because I know exactly what I'm doing. And this is the reason why I'm trying to show you guys how to do it. Because trust me, we all can do it together, guys. I'm gonna cut up that yellow yam, yeah? You know, some cup size, like, you know, like them size. Yeah. Some cup size, you understand? That's what we're talking about. It's a cup size. Like those. Because they're not gonna mash, you know, my peeps. These are yellow yam. You can't overcook yellow yam, trust me. Yellow yam are one thing, why no mash. So you see the color now, my peeps? This how you look? Yeah. I'll add in the cocoa and the yellow yam. And then we'll come back with some more ingredients also, my peeps. So peel up the carrot now. And the chocho. And we are going to add him to the pot. And plus we have some celery here to add in later when I season up. With my thyme and my garlic and my scallion and all these things. You know how you go. We gotta do the right thing, my people. So all you have to do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Share the video. Like the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Straight out in the kitchen, cooking up a storm all the time, guys. And we are showing up from start to finish. So anybody who don't know to cook, go on the channel and watch it, guys, and do the same thing like me. It's gonna come out perfect. Trust me. We're not going to no fake talk. We are going to straight talk and real talk. And we are showing what we are doing in the kitchen. We don't hide nothing from you. Okay. So you know what, go like up the video, share the video to all your friends and family, and tell them say to subscribe to the channel. Help the channel to grow, become a part of the family, guys. I cut up a chocho here now, my people. You know, chocho is something easy to melt too, you know. But you know, melt so easy, but if you cook it long, it will melt out. So it's better when you cut them up bigger than small. Because when you cut them small, they melt out real fast. Okay? Right now, I scrape 2 carrots. And we'll cut them up. And we'll put them in a pot. Quick and fast, okay? This is how we work knife. See what I talk about? Yeah. This is how we work knife, my peeps. Cut him up quick and fast, put him in a pot. You know we work already, you know. We don't idle when we are cook. Cook we come to cook, and a cook we are going to cook. Quick and fast. Healthy food we are cook today. Nice chicken soup, my people. If you have flu, if you have some cold, anything you have, boil some chicken soup, man. Revive yourself. Right now we're in a cold temperature, my people. So we have to keep warm up yourself, you know. So you know, either tea, soup and all these things, those are the best things to work with the cold, you understand? So that way I deal with, you know, make some nice beautiful soup for you guys. You guys can do it at home for yourself also. Just follow these steps and you're good to go. See, eh? So you look rich already? Boy. We'll add them carrot and chocho in my pot here. That's what I talk about. We'll give me 1 stir, my peeps. And we are going to knead up some flour. Put him down until we're ready for the spinners, okay? See, eh? And we not overcrowd the pot with food today, you know, guys. Today there's some nice soup we are making. Natural, nice soup. So now stay tuned. See there? Soon get there. So we'll cover up the pot now and we're going to make the fire continue. Do the work. Stay tuned. One love. Straight here TV. And guys, remember the motto. We always have a motto, you know. Not because we don't use it often. But remember, love each other. Share what you got. Keep it moving. One Straight here TV. Okay, my viewers and my beautiful subscribers. Hey, I go open the pot and one of my guys. Yeah, look how the pot look beautiful, guys. So it's pretty. Right now, we are going to add all the rest of the ingredients, my peeps. So what we are going to do? We'll add the one sweet potato, yeah, and the one Irish potato, yeah. So we'll peel them up fast, and we'll put them in the pot, and we'll add the dumpling, and we'll season up the pot right away. You understand? And then we'll add the noodle. You know, so we don't use noodle. You know how we make soup already, right? So, you know, stay tuned and watch what I go on. Because the pot about to soon land, you know, my peeps. Soon land. This is no long cooking. That me tell you, so quick and fast. No long cooking. So, one Irish potato here. Nice and clean. I'll cut him up in the pot, my peeps. Kind of easy to cook too. Him and the flour can cook same time. Understand? That is it. Peel up on one sweet potato, you know. I'll add him into because him easy to cook too. So we're gonna peel him up and put him there now. You can put him in long time too, you know, but you know melt out. But you know you can't give the body. You can't give the soup a lot of body. If you're cooking big pot. You better you put him in for an early so you get a lot of body, but I need it to eat. I don't really need for body because I have a lot of body in the soup already. So go ahead and peel him up. Put him in a pot. And guys, you have to know when to add certain food. You have to know how to use the provisions, okay? See me? Nice and clean. Pretty and nice. And we are peel, we don't want a team spot on him, okay? Must be beautiful like that. Okay? We are going now with him, my peeps. And if you don't careful, it will cut you. Okay? So be careful when you're doing these stuff. If you have a board, use the board. Like I always tell you, safety come first. So if you can't handle your hand like me, please to use the board, guys. I cut them up in a bite size and they're going to melt out, so you know how you go already. They'll make mad flavor in the pot now, my peeps. Mad flavor. And we'll add him back in the pot now. The piece can go and can melt out too. See it there? And then, my peeps, we go right away now and add the dumpling same time. See how the pot look nice and beautiful? No, nice, my peeps. I just mostly soup we are cooked today. But I don't know if I food right now. See how the pot look? Yeah, beautiful soup we are cooked today. So let me dry off my hand and we'll make some dumpling. Some soup dumpling. And some spinners. Add it to the pot, okay? See there we have a nice piece of flour you already need. Me already teaching you how to knead flour, guys. So if you don't remember, go and watch the channel. That's the reason why I don't show you all the time the same stuff, okay? I want to show you guys new stuff all the time, not the same stuff over and over and over. That's boring. So I make so nice, it goes small soup dumpling, cup size, guys. I want to show you let me say cup size. Like them here. Fit in any cup, okay? Little and small like that. You can even make them smaller like this. Like a ball, understand? Cup size. That's what I mean. I can make some nice spinners like these. Okay? If you want to make a smaller one, them, you make them like this. I already show you these things in my peeps. So if you don't forget, go and watch the channel again. Search for them. See how beautiful and strong is that splash? Wow. Super rich. Rich, me peeps. And if you don't want to eat dumpling, I'll show you some next spinners what to make. Wow. Yeah, eat dumpling, but it's not so fine. Thick like this. And put them in there. Okay? You know, a small baby fine ones. If you want to eat dumplings, then they are dumpling size. But if you make big pot of soup and you want to make a little fine one, These are the one we make. Them here. Call them spinners. And the only reason why they spin, they do like this. Half your hand in a pot. In a pot. So them work, okay? But me like make some nice like a soup dumpling because me as a man like eat 2 dumplings, me I make the soup, you know. Yeah, I like make some nice little dumplings to eat. Like these ones, some nice little baby dumplings, okay? Like these. Yeah. You know, we add them to the pot, you understand? So I teach you how to make all different type of dumpling. See? All different type of dumpling. See them there? Nice little baby dumpling. Alright, peeps. So we'll go ahead and just add some spinach to the pot, you know. Finish up the pot. Alright. You can make big spinach in my peeps like these. These are soup dumplings. If you want to eat dumpling, these are big nice spinach. Put them in the pot. You know, make a little fine one them. If you're a dumpling lover like me, make them like this. Because you want to eat dumpling. Alright. You can make a small fine one that I just showed you before. Alright. You can make a stew peas one. These are the stew peas one. Them there. Them there. Okay? That's how we are going with it. We finish. So, what we are going to do now? We are going to go ahead right away and season up the pot. Let's get a 1 stir, my peeps. Yeah, now the pot feel nice. Couple dumpling and couple spinach in it. Pot feel good. So right now, we are going to season up the pot, my peeps. Wash up, man. I come right to you now. So we have some fresh basil. Okay, guys? Cut him up right. We'll season up the pot now. The flour has some nice ingredients in it. Some nice scallion here. We're not cut them up. We already put some cut up on the pot, so we're going to rub him out. Drop him in. Okay? The time we not cut him up neither, just add him in. Because we're going to take him out back after time doing work. Piece of onion here, put him in. I had some celery here, guys. They already cut, wash and clean. And I have a neck nice for garlic. All we have to do is crush him. Now cut him up. Yeah, full of flavor. Add with celery. Scotch bonnet are well hot in my peeps, so we're not going to use the whole light. So I put one little piece like that. Because you know, when we are eat, we not in no burn mouth business. We just need flavors, so we'll give me 1 stir now. So they look beautiful, people. Wow. And them are soup we drink in the winter. Keep it nice and fit. So we'll cover up the pot now. And make the fire continue to do some work, my peeps. The next time we're going in the pot is to add these bad boys. And then, you know, the pot almost done, you know. Because we add this, 5-10 minutes, we're done. So stay tuned, watch the video, guys. Like the video, share the video. One Straight Yard TV. In the kitchen, all the time. Stay tuned, guys. One love. Okay, my beautiful people. Right now, you're at eating time. Pot done cook, my peeps. So, see final touch there. That is it. Nothing sticking, nothing burning. You see how this spoon I move? Nothing sticking, nothing burning. Soup is perfect, my peeps. So right now, we are going to share it a little bit. And we are going to dig in it for you guys. So stay tuned. Watch how I go on. So I'm going to look for one bowl now. See, eat. No matter if I turn off the fire now too. We're done cook, okay? Very easy. Quick, easy, simple and fast. This is the reason why I don't cut up time my peeps. I just put them in holder. So when the work is done, we just take them out and throw out. Okay? You ready, Pong?
Yeah, man. We tasting the pot, man.
Alright, let's go.
We tasting the pot, man.
Give me a cup, let me fix you up, man. And you need a bowl or a cup?
No, I'm good with the cup, man.
Alright. I'll give you some meat.
Give me broth. I like broth.
Yeah, you're gonna get broth, man, but you have to have some meat too. You just want source of soup, man?
Yeah, I like broth.
You have to eat some of the ingredients, man. Here you go. No, me I share one little bowl for myself, my peeps. See it, yeah? See it, yeah?
Right this one. Right this one.
See it there? That is it. Some broth. Belch out some gas off our stomach, you know?
It's nice. I like it.
What?
Nice.
Mad.
Well flavored.
Yeah, man. Mad.
On the rum, this is what you want.
Yeah, man.
Yep.
If you got little flu or you got little cold, this is what you want.
Right now it's like 5 degrees outside. This is the best thing for you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know it goes. So see it, my peeps. That is it. Fire off. We done cook. Guys, I'm gonna dig in it for you. You know we always going out for you. And we not change. So,
Yep.
alright.
Straight yard TV.
Peeps, it's hot, you know. Well hot. Just cooked done. So don't think it's something cold. Okay?
Full of flavor. The pimento make it over the top.
Mad!
Nice. Smooth. Nice.
Yep. Boy, you can taste all the flavor. You can taste the pumpkin, you can taste everything in it.
The thyme and everything
Yeah, man.
is right there. No overpower. Just nice.
Boy,
Not too
hot, you know,
salt.
peeps.
It's right in between. Full of flavor. Yep. I
Yeah,
wish you
man.
guys was here.
So taste some.
Taste some with us, you know?
Yeah, man.
Oh my gosh.
Mad!
Yep. As
Boy.
I said, if you guys was drinking, this is the thing to get the sober.
Right. Right, yes, sir.
Right this one.
So, guys, remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. We come to the end of the video. Right now, I can't stand up and eat, you know. I stay already. I have to sit down and clear this. So, I go sit down on the table, guys, and I go finish up this. So, one love. We in the kitchen all the time. Straight Yard TV, up and running, guys.
Blessings.
Every time you jump on the channel, give it a love. Give it a like.
Share
Share
like
it.
everything.
Yeah, man. All the time, people. We out. Nice, no, man. Nice, man. Nice.